First, I'm starting off by marking the center and the bottom with a level and a measuring tape. In the garage, I'm mixing some thin set mortar and some water. They say to have a peanut butter consistency. Peanut butter. Steak. What the cow looks like. Now I'm just making a grout line above the original line. Then I'm making sure it all lines up and even. Now I'm taping the border of the cabinets to protect them. I'm using just regular painter's blue tape. Now it's time to lay the tile. This etch spatula is called a trowel, I believe that's how you pronounce it. You scoop some thin set on the edge and start scraping it onto the wall. I just take a school ruler to make sure the tile is lined up from the top and bottom against the line I drew originally. When applying the tile, it's best to push with a twist motion to secure it on the wall. I use the spacers accordingly. Then you continue doing the rest of the wall following the same steps. Take a little break right now because somebody over here, Jules, she's being a little terror, so I am going to take a break, hang out with her, and when she goes to bed, I will get back to it. Doesn't look too bad. So this is the saw. Just gonna add some water in here. There's a pumping side that I'm gonna circulate the water up. I think I might need more water than that. Now I'm just going to cut the tiles into the shapes I need for the outlets and borders. You can rent this saw from Home Depot. It was only about $30 for a full day where I live. I purchased a smaller trowel for this job. Chris is grouting while I finish tiling the other wall. When mixing the grout, it's the same concept as the mortar, but to have it at a whipped cream consistency. And it's best to use ice cold water temperature so it doesn't dry too quickly. You want to clean off the excess grout every 10 to 15 minutes after each section. Use a microfiber sponge with water and let it dry overnight, then you are done. We're just cleaning up now. Just gotta let it dry, let it line up, and Chris is gonna do this side for me tomorrow. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Looks great. Wow, we finally have a backsplash. Sheesh. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.